It's your 70th birthday, and we got a surprise for you. Your family and friends made birthday messages for your special day. Enjoy!
Happy birthday, Mama Male!
We wish you a good health. And
Happy birthday! I wish you a happy birthday. We love you, Mama Male.
Happy birthday, Mama Male. I wish you a Merry Christmas. Maging mabait po ako. Alagaan ko pa ikaw paglaki ko.
Happy 70th birthday, Mama Man. I hope your day is filled with joy, laughter, and everything that makes you happy. Thank you for being loving and a supportive presence in our lives. Keep vlogging and keep slayable.
Hi, Ma. Happy 70th birthday. I believe that your life will be a blessing to many, and your prayers will be answered in God's perfect time. And thank you so much for being a blessing to us and to many people around you, sa church, and I believe na marami ka pang ma-inspire and matutulungan na mga tao.
Gusto ko lang sabihon, very inspiring ka, and I'm so grateful. Very thoughtful ka. Always ka nag-remind na maging healthy kami, maging healthy ako. Lagi mong tatandaan, Ma, na kaya on sa isip mi. Sa pag narurumduman ta ka, amping kong naming nagalaog sa utak ko is super adventurous ka, super enthusiastic, and always positive ka. Especially sa mga gala, especially sa anything na para magiging makakapagpa-young. Happy 70th birthday!
Mama Malen, happy 7th birthday. I wish you're healthy and maging malusog at pretty and happy birthday in March 1. I wish you're pretty. I love you.
happy birthday, Mama Malin. Stay healthy. More birthdays to come. We love you.
Happy birthday, Mama Malin. Happy birthday, Mama Malin. Happy birthday.
Hello, Mother dear. Happy 70th birthday. Na-surprise ka, Ma. Alam ko na ang gusto mo pag-birthday mo, pag-70 mo, digdi ka sa Singapore. Pero, bongga ang 70th birthday mo dahil sa LA. LA ka, ma-celebrate and nag-celebrate kang birthday mo. LA, Legazpi Albay, Marison Hotel. Ang wish me sa imo, bako lang all the best in the world. All the love in the world, Mother D. Love you, Mama. I love you, Papa. Abo mo man na pag-celebrate na gari dibu. Pero ang tinaomi sa imong birthday mo is gari ka man sa nagdibu. Wa kang intimate dinner with your Prince Charming. Thank you sa gabos na pag-sakripisyo mo sa muya, na pag-alaga mo sa mga makuapo Indo. Lalo na ngunyan, niyaon sa Indo si Messi. I love you, I love you, I love you. Enjoy nindo ni Papa tonight.
Happy birthday, Mama. Ang wish ko para sa imo is to stay healthy. Kamundo ni Papa, of course. And to always enjoy life. Pero aram ko na, day ko naman kay puhan sabihin sa imo. Kasi you always enjoy life. Even the simple things. Thank you for always taking care of us. Dawa gururang na kami, you still take care of us. Ngunyan, narayao ng mga makuapo, you still take care of everybody. I love you so much, and I miss you so much. I hope to see you really, really soon. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday! Ante, happy 17th birthday! Maugma po kami na na-reach mo na stage kang buhay. Ante, we wish you good health, happiness, stay fit and young, and keep doing what you love. We love you and hope to see you soon.
Happy birthday, Lola Malin. And I'm excited to see you again in Philippines in December.
Bye! Happy birthday! Enjoy!
Happy 70th birthday, Lola!
Hi, Tia! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Tia.
Lola.
Bye.
Bye.
Happy birthday, Nene. May your day be as brighter and beautiful as you are to me. Cheers on your very special day. May your birthday be filled with joy, laughter, and all your heart desires. I love you so much, and I wish you all the best.
Hi, Nini. Happy birthday. Surprise. It's your 70th birthday. Sus, 70 na. Sana maugmahon ka ngunyan. Stay healthy and always happy and sexy. Sana yaon ako. Kami dyan. Ngunyan na birthday mo. Anyway, we're sending you our best wishes on your birthday. Sana perming sexy sana. Dahil na magpara puyat. Parehas ko, laging puyat. Happy birthday, my beautiful Nini.
Happy birthday. Go say happy birthday. Happy birthday, Tita Malin. We love you.
Hello. Happy birthday, Nini. Wish ko para sa imo na mas dakol pang blessing na matanggap. Saro sa mga favorite ko, super mimo pag-agdas ako sa pagrabas. Para mag-chill, mag-sine, and magkaon sa luwas. Sana dakol pang beses, taan magibo hanggang sa kayata. Stay healthy and more followers pa sa FB. Enjoy life.
Happy birthday to you, Nini, for your 70-year-old. So we wish that more and more birthdays to come and celebration be safe, healthy, wealthy, and God bless you always.
Hello, Nene. Happy 70th birthday. Wish ko sa iyo, be happy and be jolly always.
Hi, Malin. Happy birthday. Siguro, maugmahong ka ngunyan dahil sa surprise kang family mo. But you deserve it. Kasi masyado ka loving wife, caring mother, and also caring grandmother. Kaya ang wish ko sa iyo, good health, happiness, and long life. Sana nakapunta ako dyan, pero hindi bali. Magkikita tayo sa Holy Week. Bali, ang gift ko sa iyo is big hug, love, and care. Lagi mong alalahanin na I'm your best friend forever. Happy birthday. God bless always. Love you.
Hi, ni Malin. Happy birthday. Dahil birthday mo ngunyan, I want to share with you some of my thoughts about you being my special and best cousin ever. Sana dahil magtampo sa Belen, si Rebecca, si Emma, and Imelda. Sinabi kong special and best ka. Pero honestly, ni, we are grateful and thankful sa imo dahil since I got married until pag-aki ko kay Eileen and Gerald, parang one call away ka lang palagi. Nagdadamay sako and nag-i-stay ka sako na not only in good times, pati sa bad times. But we have fun. And na-miss ko din. Saka mo magturugang na maski haloy dahil naghihirilingan, mabo yung maghirilingan, nothing changed. Parang dahil katapusan na kwentuhan. Naisip ko nga, maski mayo na si Auntie Paking, si Mama, still yung band na connection ta magpirinsan nananatili. Sana it will continue that way, pati sa satong mga aki din. Kalang day ko biristo ang mga aki mo. So then, but thank you kay Valid Joy na big ask niya ako na maging part kaining birthday mo. Happy birthday again ni. Have fun with the family sa Indo. Regards to all. Ay halat palan may magbabati din sa imo.
Ni Malin, naalala ko 50 years ago, ikapalabalang si Samoyang Maid of Honor. Maid of Honor ka ni Manay mong Aida. Salamat ni sa mo. Salamat sa Indoga boss. Again, happy birthday. Best wishes sa imo and family.
Mama Malin, happy birthday! We love you! Enjoy lang ang buhay. Hi! Noah, miss you so much. Enjoy your day. Miss Minay ka. Hi. Happy birthday, Mama. We love you.
I love you, Mama Malin po. Thank you po sa pag-alaga sa akin. Thank you po pagluto sa akin pag maskul ako. I love you, Mama.
I love you too, Mama Malin. Ang pinaka tibay na agom sa bilog na kinakban. Ang nag-aruga, nagtabang, asin, nag-ibon ng paraan para makatarapos ang aki migabos. Asin iyo ang agom na maunawain, mapagmahal, asin may pasensya sa buhay. Thank you very much. Ika ang pinaka sa gabos. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Hi, Mama Malin, it's me, Oreo. Thank you for being a great grandmother to me. I love you. Happy birthday.